you guys. So today we are going to a cookout for the 4th of July, and I'm always on green bean duty. So I'm going to show you all today how I make my green beans, and right now I don't have any out of the garden. My mom's got some, but I've not got up there to get any. So but I'm going to show you all how to make them, and everywhere I go people think that they're from the garden, and it's so easy. So here we go. All right. Now I got this big cooker at Peddler's Mall, and I want you to look. It's one of the, I've never seen one that big. But anyhow, that's what we're going to use. I've already opened these. We're going to use our Allen's beans. Turn that around there so I don't make a mess. We're going to pour a can of them in there, and you're not going to drain them, you're just going to leave your water on there. Okay, I've got my potatoes, my new potatoes, already washed, and I just kind of slice them up in the middle. Put them in there. Splashing stuff everywhere today. Okay. And we're going to make a big pot because I don't know how many is going to be there. And you know what? If they're not 8, we'll eat them tomorrow. So we're doing 2 cans. We're going to fill it to the top. Okay. Now you all remember that that pulled ham that I made, so we're going to strip some of that up. Now the thing about green beans is a lot of times, you know how you get them and they're real smushy and watery. The reason behind that is you stir them too much. So when I put these on, I'm not going to stir these at all until when they're done and the water is cooked down on them. Then I will stir them just a little bit. But if you stir them too much, they get all that just real mushy looking green beans, and I don't like that. So right now all I'm doing is putting this ham that we cooked yesterday. I told y'all we wasn't going to waste that dinner. So we'll just put that right on there. Kind of overcooked it a little bit, but I'll tell you what, it was still delicious and we ate it. But I fell asleep and left it going. All right, so the one last thing that we're going to do, and this is what flavors your green beans, is our bacon grease. So I'm not measuring, I'm just going to use what we got in here. The little crumbs and all, and that is what's going to make your green beans good. Now if you don't have pulled ham or any kind of ham, you can always fry the pack of bacon and just put that right in there on them. So I'm going to put the lid on that, and I'm going to cook them on medium for probably, well, what you want to watch is your water. You want that water to boil off of them some. And then, but you don't stir them. As much as you want to, don't come in and start stirring your green beans. Just cook them on like medium, and just keep an eye on them and they'll be okay. I'll be back. Hey you guys, so I'm back, and our green beans have been cooking. I know I didn't time it, but I know it's been over an hour. But I drained some of the water off of them because we got places to go and they're done. So when they get to this point, you really just have to watch and make sure that they don't scorch on the bottom. So like I told you, I have not stirred these at all. I'm going to use my long spatula because I want to get down to the bottom and just kind of pick it up a little. Because you know what, I gotta check their potatoes. And it looks like they are done because they're starting to break apart. Just see how they look. They don't look all mushy. I don't know how to even explain what I mean by that. Like too watered down, I guess. Get that ham around there. That's the only time that I've stirred these at all. We doused them good with salt too. I'm gonna stick a fork in them, and they're done. So there's your green beans and new potatoes and ham. I hope you guys have a good 4th. You all be safe. See you next time.